Oh my god, I'm late and my hair looks like an absolute mess. I am quite often late and my hair quite often looks like a mess. So today I thought I'd show you 6 easy hairstyles that you can do when you're running late as
what am I holding on to? What are we showing?
The first quick hairstyle is with this 3-pack of velvet scrunchies from Scunci. I love these. They are so pretty. These colors look so good in your hair. Who knew that I would love scrunchies again?
Our love's a lion, paralyzed for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far.
Next, I'm going to use these beautiful gold circle clips from Scunci. I love these. This one is super easy. Just grab 2 sections, twist it back. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to use the Scunci clear jaw clip. You just grab your ponytail, twist it up, and at the base of the twist, put your jaw clip in. For this next super quick hairstyle, you will need a Topsy tail tool from Scunci and one of these beautiful gold ponytail cuff clips.
You ain't wrong. I know you and me are wrong. Still, I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't wrong. I know you and me are wrong. Still, I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I keep on holding.
This next hairstyle is super quick and easy, and that's why it's one of my favorites. I'm going to use some gold barrette clips from Scunci. The next quick hairstyle that I'm going to show you is super cute. I'm going to use these Scunci dent-free elastics to secure it into a little ponytail. I am going to tie my hair up into a half-up ponytail, but I'm putting the pony on the very top of my hair. I'm going to secure it with my band and I'm going to pull it really tight. And then when it's done, just pull on the ponytail so that the pony sits nice and high on my head.
I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to?